everyone, welcome back, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a room makeover. So here's a list of things that I'm going to do and that you can also do to make your room extra cute. One thing that really helps bring your room together and just make it cute is just by adding posters. I have a couple here, and it's actually quite a cheap way to do it, and it's pretty affordable. I also want to make a mini mood board to put in my room just so I can see it all the time. You can really put all your aspirations and motivations there, and when you make it cute, it also adds and makes your room extra special. I also really want to purchase some candles because they can really help set the mood and also make your room smell so good. Organizing boxes also do such a good job at making sure your things stay where the places they should be, and also just keep things tidy and organized. So I definitely want to use some of them and also purchase some. I also really need to clean my room. It is looking very messy. So right now I'm on Amazon, so the first thing I want to get is some LED lights. Let's get these ones. Next is the candles, because I really just want to set my room with a vibe from candles. I'm looking for a bit of a neutral scent, just one that can be all year round. So I think I'm gonna go with this vanilla cupcake one because I love the smell of vanilla cupcakes. And now I want a bit of a clean scent. I'm thinking maybe something along the lines of like clean sheets or something. I've also been looking and I found these little drawer things that I want to add because in some areas of my room it's kind of messy. Now, I don't have any organizers around here, so let's get some. One thing that will also really help me reorganize my room is if I get something that I can actually reorganize my files with. My papers from school, they're so cluttering and like they really cause a mess in my room. I just bought them, so let's hope they come in a few days. My LED lights finally arrived in the mail after being broken. I got these smart LED strip lights, so let's put them up. Into here. Look at me go, guys. It's taking off my paint. No. Guys, this is getting serious. I took my jacket off. Things in my room kept getting tangled by the white string I had to pull off to apply the LED lights. The string's like all the way over there. This is a bit of an interesting activity to be doing when I should be studying for my math exam. Oops. I'd be lying if I didn't say that I was on my desk trying to not fall over all of this stuff on it. My candles from Amazon did in fact arrive today, so let's unbox them. Come in this like wooden box, wooden or like cardboard. As you saw, the first scent that I got is vanilla cupcake. Let's smell this. Wow, that smells so good. I'm addicted to the scent, especially because it's vanilla. Now let's open the second one. Clean cotton. Well, I haven't actually smelled it yet, but I just know that I'm gonna love this. Wow. Not as good as the cupcake one, if I have to be completely honest, but this one also smells like so clean, tidy. It's gonna make you want to clean your room. Now this one was a surprise from my mom for my birthday. Well, I have opened it on my birthday, so let's open it. Whoa. It's purple, just like my gown over there. This is lemon lavender. I have this one in the baby one, but I don't have it in the big one, so this is really exciting. It's very good in like the spring and the summer. It's just such a fresh scent. I love getting posters for your room because they're so cute, especially a little calendar like that you can just find on Pinterest. It's just such a fun activity to scroll on Pinterest and just find ones that you love and inspire you. The process of printing the photos was actually so easy for me. All you do is like you go on Pinterest, find posters that you want, and then download them. And then there should be stores. There is one for me, and I know in Europe, DM, that's what I did. I went to DM to do it. So once you've downloaded the photos, you go to the store, and then there's like a machine and you plug your phone in and then you print it. There should be places like that in other countries as well. If not, you can just go via an online link and choose the photos you want and get them made and then shipped to you. Here are all of the photos and posters I got printed from Pinterest. I think in total this might have cost like 18 euros or something along those lines. This one, so cute. Lyrics from Ariana Grande. Vivienne Westwood, my absolute favorite. Now that we have our candles, let's clean this room up so we can find a cute little place to put them. I decided to write a list so I knew exactly what I needed to clean. On my desk, I have a pile of things that need to be sorted through and organized. Let's organize them into the container. As you guys can see, my desk is looking kind of messy. I have kind of been procrastinating this because it always kind of ends up messy being a student. But I got this super cute box from one of my friends. She gave it to me like kind of to hold her birthday present that she got for me. I started off by putting all of my get ready with me stuff in the white box, but then I realized that I actually didn't like the way it looked, so I switched to this brown box because it seemed like it matched more. And I also decided to tie a bow because I thought that was cute. Instead, I put all of my shower stuff in the white thing. I think I'm just gonna keep the wood one because it's probably more aesthetic because it matches like the wood of my table. So this is like the final result. The next thing I decided to do was clean in my cupboards and decide what I wanted and what I didn't want anymore. I feel like this is a bit of a tedious thing, but once you do it, you do feel quite complete once you've sorted through what you want and what you don't want. Finally, let's go. Now, let's create a new mood board. Don't mind the way I look, I kind of just woke up. You can create a new folder on Pinterest. I have, and I'm just gonna look through this and add some to then put in my mood board. If you're not yet in the autumn feels / fall feels, this is a really fun way to do that. I love scrolling through Pinterest. It is just like therapy, literally, and it never fails to get me in the mood of the season, especially because for me personally, fall is my favorite season. I love it so much, and it's just like a little place where you can put beautiful pictures. This is the final result of my mood board. Feel free to screenshot. I just printed my mood board. Look how cute it is. Now, let's find a place to put this. I have this cork board here that has some inspiring quotes. I put the quotes down a bit to make room for the mood board, and look how aesthetic it is. I really advise you to do the same and add it to your room. Even if you're not doing room makeover, it's just such a cute little way to look at your goals and make sure it is cute, pretty, and aesthetic. And I got these ones from Amazon. They're not that aesthetic, but they were very cheap. And I was like, I need that because I need to be practical here, not aesthetic. Yes, I've already opened them. I've had a sneak peek, but I got a bunch of folders. Oh, that was an important paper. Got all of these for 4 euros. I can organize my papers in. So let's organize my papers with this so I can declutter them nasty areas down there. Here is my pile of stuff that I really need to clean. I feel like everything kind of just gathers up in this area in my room. So let's get started. You can't tell me that you just don't have one area where everything just goes. This is literally my area that I always am having to clean because I just chuck something there when I don't know where else to put it. Now, before I organize my books and stuff, I feel like this area needs a bit of a vacuum. So I got my vacuum here. Since it's literally my room's dump site, it always managed to get dust and dirt. Here are all the folders. I'm gonna especially use the cute one, but I'm gonna organize all of my papers into these folders just so like I know in my head that I know where everything is. Because I kind of know where everything is, but it just doesn't sit right in my head being like this. I started to organize all of the papers from that one subject into a folder and just made that folder specifically for that one subject. I also decided to write the subject name on the folder so then I didn't forget. I also like to put the colors on what I think the subject's color is, like blue's math for me. I got this diffuser and it's vanilla scented. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that I motivated you to also remake over your room, and also I hope that you enjoyed watching me remake over my room. Have a good day. Goodbye.